Hello Bladers! Here's hot news about your car battery. That may seem surprising. It's not so much the cold that gets it down as it is high heat. Heat causes battery fluid to evaporate, thus damaging the internal structure of the battery. That's why, it's a good idea to check your battery as the weather changes, or if you've been driving in a cooler part of the country. Welcome to our daily drive. If you are not subscribed yet, you are missing out. Today, we will be talking about the 5 tips for better battery performance. To get the most life out of a battery, here are some simple things that we should do. Number 1, be sure the electrical system is charging at the correct rate. Overcharging can damage a battery as quickly as undercharging. Number 2, if your battery is the type that needs to be topped off, check it regularly. Add distilled water when necessary. Number 3, always replace a battery with one that's rated at least as high as the one originally specified. Number 4, have the battery checked if you notice headlights and interior lights dim, accessories that fail to operate, or the check engine or battery light illuminated. Number 5, keep the top of the battery clean. Dirt becomes a conductor, which drains battery power. Further, as corrosion accumulates on battery terminals, it becomes an insulator, inhibiting current flow. Do you agree with our list? Or did you have others to add? Drop us some comments. We would love to hear from you. And since you stayed till the end of this video, here's a bonus. Number 6, another reason for shortened battery life is overcharging. That is, a malfunctioning component in the charging system, usually the voltage regulator, can allow too high a charging rate, leading to slow death for a battery. In addition, colder temperatures can increase the thickness of the engine oil, making the engine harder to turn over, causing the battery to have to work more. These factors lead to harder starting. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on any of our new releases. For more car care and maintenance tips, visit www.blade.ph. It's Blade, it's better.